Two men accused of murdering 22-year-old Mercedes Vega appeared before a judge this morning. Cujo Young and Sincere Hayes are two of three suspects charged with first-degree murder.
They're accused of kidnapping and torturing this young woman to keep her from testifying in a robbery case. 12 News journalist Bianca Bono was in court today, and she's live in studio with us. Bianca.
Yeah, it's been a whirlwind of a week for Mercedes Vega's parents, family, and friends. And they say this morning's hearing is another reminder that there is not enough protection for victims of a crime.
I'm wearing her jacket. I wanted them to see her.
For the first time, Mercedes Vega's parents facing two of their daughter's accused killers. Both Sincere Hayes and Cujo Young in court Friday morning, formally charged with first-degree murder.
Sincere Hayes.
Hayes' attorneys trying to fight the presence of a camera in the courtroom, saying an argument they may make at trial is one of mistaken identity. Records show police found Hayes' fingerprints on a grocery bag located inside Vega's car.
We enter not guilty pleas to all charges.
Cujo Young is the alleged mastermind.
Cujo Young.
In 2020, Young was charged with robbing Vega at gunpoint. Vega helped police identify him, leading to his arrest. She was set to testify against him the day before she was kidnapped and murdered. The medical examiner's report reveals in addition to blunt force trauma and a gunshot wound, she had bleach in her throat. And prosecutors say it's clear Young enlisted his friends Hayes and Jared Gray to silence her.
She was smart and she knew she was right, and she believed that if she was doing the right thing, she would be protected, and she wasn't.
Vega's parents say their daughter's case exposes a glaring flaw, a lack of protection for victims aiding in prosecution.
The system basically tells you, and in this case in particular, why come forward? You're not protected.
To this day, Young still has not been fully prosecuted for the armed robbery. There have been 18 delays in his case, which is now approaching 5 years. Just this week, his trial was delayed again, claiming at the 11th hour that he was firing his attorney and opting to represent himself. The judge approved his request, but the next day, he announced he had hired a new lawyer.
It was just some legal things that happened in his case that I can't discuss, but it wasn't some ploy to push out the trial.
As Vega's parents prepare for a long and grueling legal road ahead, they can't help but point out what could have been had there not been so many delays in Young's original case.
If the system would have done what it should have done, Mercedes, we wouldn't be standing here talking right now. He would have been in jail 3 years and he would have already been out. This would have been moved on.
And both Hayes and Young have pleaded not guilty. The third suspect in this case, Jared Gray, awaits extradition. At last check, he was still in custody in Georgia. We're live in studio. Bianca Bono, 12 News.
All right, Bianca, thank you.